Hey YouTube, what's up? Dr. T here, and welcome to the Altcoin Express and my hometown of St. Petersburg, Florida. One of the courses all students of computer science have to go through is the non-electives, basically algorithms. I have the hardback copy, and in this section I shall be going through the Python coding of the algorithms in this book, which approximately goes out to 1200 odd pages. So here's the text for the algorithms that you can probably watch a course on somewhere. The PDF file, and the first one is on page 18. Okay. So this is their pseudocode for running the algorithm, which just moves these along the pathway through a while loop until it finds it gets to the end of its chain. This pseudocode doesn't have an end blocker on. I couldn't get it to run, so I reconfigured it to my own convenience. So we'll go over to the code, and you'll find this for any of these sort of things you need to have a blocker on the end. So we generate a list, put an end blocker on it, we run it through the range of x to the length of the list. I'm just printing it out. Pick up the first key, we're starting with a 0. The first one we want to move is the 2, so we go x plus 1, and we have the need to break the code off, because if you add plus 1 onto this, you'll get an error. That's why we put the end blocker in. So if it equals the end, we just break and it ends the code. So we now have to go and set I. We add 1 onto here, so it's to this element, and the element that we're going to look to move is this element, which is 0. So we pick up another loop, I equals x. 4 will go around until it finds that it's exhausted its ability to move things. So with I equal to or greater than 0, I've just put in that there, and the list I is less than the key. So the key is 2, and I is less than the key. So we add 1 to the list, which is going to move this up to this position and tell it that is list I. Then we take it away again and we add it back and equate that to the key. And that is how this algorithm runs. So if we just run it through here, go check through it on your own time, and we'll print it out once again, and it prints it out and it moves 9 to there, moves 7 down below 9, 4 below 7, 5 below, and so on and so forth till we get to the end, and it switches it off. So that's my code for the insertion sort. Oops.